all, Muriel from the Sunshine Family with information about the Costa Rica Caribbean coast. Yes, I have been on vacation in Costa Rica. Although I live in Costa Rica, I still love to vacation in Costa Rica. And with this video, I could be your Costa Rica guide. That is actually my mission, to show you everything that I explored. And this is a part one of a bigger part of my adventure. So if you are excited to learn more about Puerto Viejo and some other awesome spots that I visited at the Caribbean side in Costa Rica, then watch my video until the end. I made a short compilation to give you a lot of impressions from being on the road to the place that we have stayed to the places that we have visited, and you might like to visit those same places. I leave that up to you. I hope you enjoy my video, and without you move on, this is an open invite. Consider to subscribe to my channel by hitting that little icon you see here somewhere below on the screen. And if you're curious about what it is that I teach for many years to people all over the world, from all kinds of cultures, and to how to build their businesses online, that is what I do. I'm an online marketer, and you know, I just always love, and I'm very proud to be able to say I'm able to live and vacation in Costa Rica thanks to my laptop business that I run with my husband Dirk. We moved to Costa Rica almost 4 years ago with our 2 children. We now live here on a beautiful piece of Costa Rica land, but that's for other videos. Check out my other videos if you are interested about buying land and other things that Costa Rica has to offer. My channel is all about everything I've learned about Costa Rica and living here. So again, enjoy my video about the Caribbean side, and yeah, stick to the end to learn the most possible. Ciao! So I always definitely recommend using Airbnb. It brings you to many different places. And Dirk found this lovely little cottage in CAHUITA, close to CAHUITA, a little bit outside. Just listen to the sounds of nature. It was super peaceful and quiet here. So we left home our 3 dogs, and guess who was visiting us? Of course, as if she was sensing that we were missing our own dogs. The owner's dog came to visit us every single evening to chill on the floor of our little Airbnb. So cute. So the next day we took off. This is the place we stayed. We took off to explore the area, and with our truck we drove alongside the Caribbean coast, pit stop at Punta Uva, beautiful, great to picnic, towards Manzanillo National Park. And here we are in Manzanillo National Park. This is a beautiful spot to take pictures, and of course to visit the park. And that looks like this. It's just some little snapshots. Beautiful nature, beautiful wildlife. As you can see, there's also many sloths climbing and living there freely. And yeah, you can see them climbing above your heads if you pay attention, of course. A heads up, the national park closes at 3, so don't be late, because before 3 you have to leave the park. So yeah, that's a big heads up. after the park, we decided to learn more about sloths and to visit the sloth sanctuary, Costa Rica. Really worth the visit. Also, to support the center that way. So by paying your entrance fee, you support the center that doesn't get any funding from the government. So yeah, really definitely worth it to visit. Oh, by the way, it's an awesome opportunity to buy fresh coconut oil from salespeople you see alongside of the road.
Because without the moth, there's no chance for a tree to absorb nutrients. But not the moth gets protection from the sloth, get a host. The sloth, if they would not fertilize, if there's no easier way to absorb nutrients, there's no more leaves in the trees, so there's a moment where they run out of leaves.
It's so simple. Yeah. And what's so important is to be scared of one thing.
Yeah. So that's why a lot of people they got kind of parasites and those things because the sloths they look pretty green, but that green color is due to the.
And these are older, or they are more?
No, we have around 190.
119?
90. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we have a lot of it. And that's why. So he's basically running. Tarzan. These are like those 4 million that they have on television. And first off, these monkeys are like those noisy animals.
We also visited National Park CAHUITA, which also goes by donation. Really, really worth it to spend a couple of hours hiking over the beach and seeing animals and wildlife flourishing. And yeah, that's really a huge tip as well. And it brought us also to Puerto Viejo to chill, to do some shopping, buy some souvenirs, and of course drinking pipas. And here's some snapshots from our favorite restaurant in Puerto Viejo, Tamara. It has been provided as a tip from a Tico couple that we met, and it is beautiful, awesome, high quality food, very tranquilo atmosphere, very Rastafari atmosphere, with awesome quotes on the wall. It's really definitely a highlight to visit and to eat here, and just see it for yourself. And after a 4-night stay in CAHUITA, visiting all those awesome places, we decided to hit off, take the road to our next destination. And what that was, you can see in my next upcoming video. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye, Caribbean Ocean. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them below. If you have things to add or things to ask, I'm happy to answer you there. Bye for now, pura vida. This was Muriel from the Sunshine family.